Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be going over news as Robinhood UK has scrapped its UK launch. Before we get into the topic of today's video, guys, if you could please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, I'm on a goal to get to 2,000 subscribers. And all the help I can get there. And as well, guys, just a little bit more news. I've also recently started a Discord server, which is basically aimed at investors and investing YouTubers, all to get into sort of one little community, help each other out on the YouTube platform, as well as talk about investing. You can post questions, ask whatever you want, and also posting YouTube videos as well to try and support other small creators. So with that out of the way, guys, so yeah, as you can see, I've just got this little article up from Yahoo News, which basically is sort of be talking about the Robinhood UK launch being postponed. So as you can see, the headline, Robinhood UK scraps UK launch amid mounting scrutiny of the trading platform. So what I'll do is, guys, I'll just read a little bit of the article and sort of give my thoughts and feelings on certain parts and overall what I think of the app not coming to the UK for the rest of 2020 anyway. So free trading out Robinhood has scrapped plans to launch in the UK amid growing criticism of its platform in the US. I've seen a bit of this, guys, as well with following US financial YouTubers. They've been sort of complaining about one day their account will have massive money losses in it with big glitches and also other things going wrong in the app, which I can't really remember, but I've seen a few YouTubers and a few posts on Twitter and so forth complaining about the Robinhood app. So around 250,000 Brits on the starting wait-up list were told by email on Tuesday morning that plans to launch had been suspended, that the company said they were saddened by this difficult decision. A spokesperson confirmed that the UK launch would be postponed indefinitely. Also, obviously, even when it was supposed to be released in the first quarter of the year, so the first few months, but again, early in the year, it did get pushed back, but they didn't give a date. So even then, I was thinking, is this actually even going to happen? I was holding my breath a little bit. So as the company, they're refocusing all their efforts on strengthening the core business in the US. The Robinhood spokesperson said, "We know many people in the UK were excited that Robinhood was coming, but now they regret they cannot deliver the product to the UK customers in 2020. So I think by strengthening the core US base just means, obviously, I think they've got to sort of do some damage control with the users, because obviously in the US as well, they do have a number of big trading firms such as M1 Finance, and there's I think Webull. I'm not sure if that's US based, but anyway, Webull, and there's a lot of other ones as well, guys, which I can't think of the top of my head. So Robinhood really got to do a bit of damage control in the US. So coming from that point of view, I do understand them pushing the UK launch back, focusing all their efforts on that. So Robinhood opened its waiting list back in the UK in November 2019. God, that feels like a lifetime ago. And I remember applying for it back then, almost 1 year ago, not far off. And its promise this year, this Silicon Valley startup targets millennial investors, has proved hugely popular in the US. The company has over 13 million users and has been valued at 8.6 billion. Or 6.7 billion pounds, making its so-called tech unicorn. Robinhood has raised 1 billion in funding since 2013. It's an impressive amount. However, the startup has faced mounting criticism of its business model in recent months, and critics say the game-like interface and easy access complex products set users up for large losses and encourage trading responsibility. So I do sort of agree with that, but I do think it does look quite simple to use, obviously almost game-like, if I want to say that maybe, but anyway, if that's what they're saying there. But obviously I think it's tried to be made as simple looking as possible due to obviously it trying to get investors on board early on and not trying to look too complicated. But they probably could change it up a little bit. Obviously, maybe it does look a bit cartoony, I'm not sure, but I've not actually used the app myself. I've only seen it on other people's videos. So earlier this month, the Financial Times reported the apparent suicide, that is apparent, so no one really knows what goes on properly, of 20-year-old Alex Kearns, who is believed to have run up debt of almost £750,000. Crikey, that is a lot. Trading complex options on Robinhood. In a note left to his family, Kearns said no clue about what he was doing and never intended to take this much risk, according to Financial Times. Kearns' cousin Bill Brewster, a financial analyst, told Financial Times that Robinhood was pushing people in financial dynamite with big claims, but probably not far wrong, to be honest, if they sort of not giving people much guidance. And obviously, when you're investing, you should sort of stick to what you know, but if Robinhood is sort of giving claim, like pushing people towards certain aspects of trading, which could be considered dangerous for a newbie, then that's not good as well, making it a bit too easy. So the New York Times has also reported that Robinhood traders losing huge sums, and Kara Swisher, an influential tech columnist at the paper, said the company seemed not careless, but not just careless, but also predatory. She sort of like preying on people losing money and not really caring if they did. But I'm not too sure if that is the case, but it probably does seem like that to some people. The coverage has led to pressure on the company from US lawmakers to improve its product, which obviously does make sense. When something this high profile happens to your product or app, then you're going to get a bit of backlash from it regardless. So Robinhood's founders have donated 250,000 to a suicide prevention charity in the wake of Kern's death, and he said in a blog post last month that they were personally devastated by this tragedy, and also about to overhaul its options trading and business to make some revisions to its products in recent weeks. And this one says a lot of change in the world over the past few months, and they've made the difficult decision to postpone the UK launch indefinitely, a spokesperson said. And although the global expansion plans are on hold for now, they're committed to democratizing the finance for more people around the world. We look forward to the day when they can bring this mission to the UK. So, as you can say, guys, it's not postponed forever. It'll just be for probably till the end of the year at least. But Robinhood have retained a small team in the UK with an unspecified number of job losses. The UK website has been shut, and details of around 250,000 potential customers collected for its waiting list will be deleted in line with its privacy. So obviously, they've got a lot of people's users right there and details, such as email addresses, etc. So yeah, that is it for that article, guys. So my little thoughts on there. Obviously, I said I did kind of see it coming when they first pushed it back a few months ago. But they didn't because they didn't give a timeline of when it was going to be released. So even then, I did get an indication that it wouldn't be coming. But obviously, once they get the app sorted and revamped, to say, and they can come to the UK with an even better model. So in my eyes, it is a good thing. So a little bit of patience, maybe. And also, a little theory I don't know whether they're sort of scared of the competition over the UK, because freetrade and trading 2-on-2 and Hargreaves Lansdown, they've got many other trading platforms in the UK who are also probably loyal customers. I know freetrade has over 100,000 users now, and I'm not sure trading 2-on-2 has, but I know they sort of do have a loyal fan base as well. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what you think of the Robinhood app launch being postponed in the UK, if you're looking forward to it, if you're not too fussed about it. Yeah, really get in the comments and engage, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. And on that note, I'm going to leave you to it today, guys. Take care. Bye.